What's up, everyone? This is my 2017 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10RR. As you all may know, for this year there's only 500 in the United States, but this one definitely stands out from the rest with the help of VIG Customs. I absolutely love this bike. It's extremely fast. It has over 200 horsepower and was flashed and tuned by Chris Hall Performance. At the end of this video, I would include a list of mods and add-ons that I currently have on this bike. As you can see, it's stretched and lowered. I'm the type of guy that like to go really fast in a straight line. It's not everybody's style, but it's what I like, what I prefer. In this bike, I have the Evil swing arm, tire hugger, Brock's exhaust, LED glow, light kit, also retrofitted the headlights and got Flow Series halos and RGBW demonized from Lightning Trends. Feel free to follow me at @ama_gator on Snapchat and Instagram. As you can see, I got a Jamaican flag up front, represent my island heritage. On the back, I have a rear foot pad. Now that doesn't normally come on a RR, but I had a few women that wanted to get on the back, so I had to make some things happen and get those parts in the rear seat off a red ZX-10. Also in the back, I have a Picasso camera that I bought off of Amazon, and I also have a GoPro 7 Black attached to the front of my helmet. The reason why we made this channel is to kind of showcase some of the rides and races and the genuine joy that we have for riding motorcycles. I'm gonna start the bike up, let you listen to it. Please like, subscribe, and come back and watch more videos.